How to remove SIM on Nokia 110 4G. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. So since I do not have the actual device, I will only tell you the procedure. Follow me and you will be able to remove your SIM in just few minutes. What you have to do is remove the back cover of your phone. Make sure you do it carefully because you might break it. Insert your finger on the slot and remove the cover. Then you will see the SIM slot where you have inserted your SIM and simply remove it. Be careful while you do it and put back the cover on and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.